And that's what the apartment looked like before I painted and decorated. Here's what it looks like now. Moving to the front door. I live in the basement of a house, kind of like the apartment I had back in 2014 to 2019, and I actually really, really like this one. It's basically like that apartment, but on steroids. It's been freshly painted and beautiful. Got this frame right by the front door, that frame of Tifa from Final Fantasy VII. This is my beautiful bathroom. I have a waterfall shower head. I've always wanted something like that. But everything just looks so good, like toilet and kitchen, bathroom sink. Everything looks great. And this right here is the living room and kitchen. Garbage can. There's the kitchen area. It's probably the most counter space I've had in the kitchen in a long time. I'm serious, by the way. Fridge, stove, everything. Sorry about that. Okay, so table. There's an MJ frame right there. There's some more MJ frames. I'm currently in the process of learning to use this mini clothes washing machine. That's why there's garbage there, but that's okay. So this is all the game stuff, obviously. Vinyl player and vinyls. And believe it or not, I actually did this by accident. Like, the whole thing about vinyl player and then MJ vinyls above it was a coincidence. Like, originally I had planned to put these over by the bed, and I was like, nah, I'll put something else. And then I walked over here, and I'm like, okay, actually I can put one there, I can put one there. And then after I put them up, I was like, wait a minute, this actually matches the theme. So, being smart by accident. Mounted TV, game consoles, PS5. You know, that's a Final Fantasy IX frame. And obviously all my games and stuff right here. Games, CDs, DVDs, everything. That right there is a staircase that goes up to the landlord's part of the house. So I just blocked it off with a curtain. This is my couch with a Michael Jackson blanket over top. This is the couch that Sasha and her dog destroyed. So I've put this blanket on the cushion to hide the fact that it's kind of damaged. That was a fun year of my life. There's a Sonic frame there. Hello. I have a massive, like, just gigantic closet, which is fully mirrored, which is cool, because if I dance, you haven't seen this in a while, so here you go. Okay, there was no point of doing a spin because I had to turn the camera around for that. Okay, let me just toast it. Okay, that's enough. Okay, maybe one day you'll actually see a dance video, but I'll get to where I'm gonna film that soon. So, storage, lots of storage bins, boxes, all that crap. All of my clothes, camera up there, fedora, some posters. Yeah, just generic storage. Shelf. This shelf is not mine. It's the landlord. By the way, the TV is also my landlord's, but he fucking gave it to me. Same thing with this white shelf. And that white shelf is also my landlord's. Here's my desk where I film and everything and use my computer. Everything I use for videos, like the camera, the webcam, and the microphone, just keep it right there. Got some posters. This is a Final Fantasy X poster. That is a Final Fantasy IX poster. Obviously that's Michael Jackson. MJ, and MJ. And this is back. So in case you're... Oh, and here's the bed. Oh, sorry, dresser over there. Here's the bed next to the desk. And in case you're wondering, yes, this wall, boom, boom, will be where I dance. If I dance. And this is probably the best dance space I've had since 2012. For those of you longtime viewers, it was from 2008 to 2012 where I was dancing in my parents' basement. You know, that beautiful, huge basement for you longtime viewers. Since then, every space I've had has been smaller. This is probably the biggest space I've had since then. Honest to God. So I am really excited. I made sure to decorate, MJ here, the back wall, the collectible shelf. That is like the best background I could have possibly created. But I also have some super nice pot lights in the ceiling. But yeah, I guess the last thing to show you is just what's on the collectible shelf. And I hope to utilize this wall with some dancing, even if it's just on stream. So, the collectibles are back as you'd expect them to be. Take a look, take your time. Pause the video if you must. I fucking love these collectibles so much. Stuff I've spent many years collecting. More game stuff, Sonic, Final Fantasy, Kingdom Hearts, Spyro, and even Pokemon. And I got my MJ books and some plushies. Umbreon's in the back, Tails, Sonic again, and Woody Woodpecker. I know what you're thinking, Woody Woodpecker, that's really outside of the theme. When I was a kid, I really loved that show. And obviously I don't buy things for every single thing I liked or watched as a child, but I bought that randomly for like no reason. I figured, well, I might as well just fucking keep it. There's not much of a point. I don't care about it that much either, but it's there because it's there, basically. Anyway, this is without a doubt the nicest apartment I've ever had. For those of you wondering, I do prefer basements because unlike apartment buildings, basements are hidden. They are quiet. The only problem with basements is that they're a little cold, but you know, you can survive on that, I guess. That door leads to the landlord's storage, so I don't use that door either. But yeah, so that's everything. Super nice floor, by the way. Like, it's really nice because you can do this. Oh yeah, you haven't seen me do that in a while. But yeah, that's the apartment. I hope you like it. I am super happy that it is clean and it's just the way that I've always wanted my home. Well, not always. It's the way I've wanted my home since 2019 because I haven't had my home the way I want it since 2019. For 2020, 2021, and 2022, it's been all roommates, right? So, yeah. And it's nice to have a clean kitchen. A lot of you will know why I'm saying that. Especially if you go and look at the last video uploaded to Matt's FTR Deleted. If you haven't seen it yet, go take a look. Anyway, that's the apartment. What do you guys think? I hope you think that this is super cool, beautiful, decorated, nicely painted, gray and green walls. I mean, it's just fucking gorgeous, okay? Anyway, see you later.